Welcome to Rockstar's Trello tutorial. Let's get started with your first task. Step 1. Duplicate the template card by copying. Step 2. Name your task, then click Create Card. Step 3. Open the duplicated card, add task details in the description section, then click Save. Step 4. Don't forget to mention your project manager in the activity section once your task details are complete. Then click Save. Finally, move the card to To Do. Now, follow your task's journey. The project manager moves the card to Processing during work. After completion, it goes to Review for your feedback. When satisfied, move the card to Complete. Need revisions? Comment down your revisions on the card and do not forget to mention your project manager. Then move the card back to To Do. You're all set. We're looking forward to your tasks.